Namaste, this is Yogi Anand, and with me there is Amelie and Lynn. So Amelie is from France and Lynn is from China, and they have come at Adwait Yoga School for yoga, pranayama, meditation workshop. And I would like to hear a few words from Amelie, how she felt and how was her experiences with us. Yeah, please.
It was really good experience. In a short time we could experience different kind of yoga, and now I feel really peaceful and calm inside. So thank you.
Okay. Lynn.
And listening to Master and teach me a lot, and have the fresh mind for the yoga, and I recognize the yoga again, and thank you, and very good experience. Thank you.
Well, and how did you find my style of yoga different, or how was this different?
Yes, different than in normal yoga center, because we feel more deep into the breathing and the thinking, and we can connect more easily with the body. So really different experience.
Okay. And how did you find this yoga style? It is called Adwait yoga style.
It's a kind of in a simple way, but you can have more deep thinking and more how they that make you feel that is the real yoga. Yeah.
Great. Thanks, Amelie.
Thank
you.
you.
And thanks, Lynn, for your association with us, and you joined us, and hope you have enjoyed a lot. And whatever you have learned, you'll continue that, so that whenever we'll be meeting next time, we'll take this further, and you'll practice more advanced things of this yoga, traditional yoga. So that was traditional yoga, the real yoga, the authentic yoga, not the yoga style which is popular these days, but this is the traditional yoga, which consists of asana, pranayama, and meditation, including some mudras, and some philosophy of yoga, and some spiritual aspects of yoga, which connects you to your soul, to the whole universe, and to the existence itself. And this kind of yoga makes you whole. This kind of yoga makes you perfect personality, not partial, but integral, and you feel complete, because you take care of your body also, take care of your mind also, and soul also. We need to take care of all these major aggregates of our personality. Okay? Thank you. Namaste.